I've always had a job. I was 6 years old, going out on paper routes. That kind of work ethic teaches you to be independent. It also teaches you the rewards of working hard. A lot of my clients are folks who hold down 1, 2, 3 jobs. I know how many responsibilities they have at home. They've got families to take care of. By the time they come to us, I don't want them to have to miss more work. That's one of the things I'm very proud of, is I understand people and I want to help people.
My daughter and I were driving on a road here in Columbus. I very quickly realized that someone was not paying attention and was flying towards us. He slammed into us going about 50 miles an hour. The first thing I did was to make sure that my daughter was okay. This was a foreign area to me. I needed an expert. I knew with Jamie that I could trust her. From the very beginning, Jamie and her team were involved in all aspects. One of the best things that you can do is to hire Oliver Law so that you can truly focus on healing.
I practice in the areas of plaintiff's personal injury, wrongful death, product defects, and employment litigation. Believe it or not, I'm one of those strange people who knew what I wanted to do from the time I was probably 8 years old. It was a calling. I was placed here on the earth for this reason. Most of the clients don't know what else to do. Sometimes they've lost a loved one and they're absolutely devastated. I can spend the time on the phone myself with them to help them through that grieving process so that I can take some things off their plate and handle everything else for them. You don't have to worry about any of this. You don't even have to remember it. You get the treatment you need to be with your loved ones. You do what you've got to do. When you're doing what you love and when you're following your passion and your purpose, it's easy.
I didn't realize I needed to hire an attorney until the insurance company made me an offer that I felt disrespectful. Oliver Law helped me through the process by guiding me every step of the way. She put me at ease. She really was just on top of everything that was going to happen. From the time I got involved with Oliver Law, I didn't feel like I was on my own anymore. It was a big relief.
I've had the privilege of having to work really, really hard. That gives me the compassion and the drive, and I know how to continue through to the end without giving up. You need to go to somebody who has the experience and who has their hands in that every single day. Call Oliver Law Office, where nothing is more important than the client experience.